Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Okay. So today in this video, I'm going to cover you about the AWS, Azure, DevOps, job openings, and as well as if you're looking for GCP job openings also as I've tried to cover. So please watch this video completely till the end. If you're a fresher having 0 years of experience, or if you're experienced having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of experience in the AWS cloud or in the Azure, it may be any of these domains, guys. You can easily apply to the job openings, which I'm going to show you now. Okay. And one more thing is, if you are switching from one domain to other domains like Java, Python, or maybe from the big data, or maybe from data analyst, you can, if you are switching from one domain to the DevOps or AWS domains, you can easily apply to the job openings. Okay. So if you may be having career gaps, or you may be from any batch, you may be from the any branches, you can easily apply to this job openings. I'm clearly mentioning. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's go to the first job opening. Here, the first job opening comes for the fresher. The company name is Deftbox Solutions. The company name is Deftbox Solutions. They are mainly hiring for the position of freshers. The role name is DevOps Engineer. Look at this. The position is DevOps Engineer. They haven't mentioned the skills and everything. Okay. If they are hiring for the DevOps Engineer means you should be knowing like Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, Ansible. These are very mandatory. So please mention this at least 7 to 8 tools or technologies in your resume. Then only apply to this job opening. Okay. This is mainly for the freshers. I'm telling you how you need to send your resumes. Look at this. Connect at deftboxsolutions.com. This is their email ID. You need to send your CV to this email ID. So this was the first job opening for you guys for the freshers. Now let's get to the seconds from the here. The company name is TechBricks. The company name is TechBricks. Here they are mainly hiring for various jobs positions. As you can see, senior DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer, junior DevOps engineer. They are mainly hiring for 4 positions. Out of 4, they are mainly hiring for 3 positions. Senior DevOps comes from 4 to 6 years candidates. Remember this, 4 to 6 years of candidates. DevOps engineer comes from 3 to 4. Okay. DevOps engineer comes for 3 to 4. Junior DevOps engineer, this mainly comes for 0 to 2 years of candidate. 0 to 2 years of candidate. So if you're a fresher, apply to just junior DevOps engineer position. If you're having experience like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, apply to this position. If you're having experience higher than the 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, apply to the senior DevOps engineer. Okay. So this was the job openings from the TechBricks company. How you need to apply to your resume is just send your resume to careers@techbricks.com. They have clearly mentioned you need to send your resume to this email ID. So this was the second job opportunity. Now let's get to the third one. Okay, the third one come from here. There is one person called Usha A. She is from the company called Agents Software Private Limited. She has mentioned her company name. Okay. And she is mainly hiring for various positions like React Native and Java full stack developer. And she has also hiring for the position of DevOps AWS engineer. DevOps AWS engineer. Okay. Role name. Salary 3 LPA to 4.8 LPA. If you are a fresher, this is mainly for the fresher guys. I'm telling you. The salary range is from 3 LPA to 4.8 LPA. Number of vacancies are 4. She is mainly hiring for the 4 positions. Locations is Hyderabad. Many people messaging me regarding to bring the job openings from the Hyderabad. This is for you guys. AP, Telangana, boys and girls, please apply. Okay. Experience, fresher or minimum 1 year of experience. If you are a fresher having just completed your training in the AWS or in the DevOps section, please apply. Or if you are having working experience or internship experience in any one of these domains like AWS or DevOps, you can easily apply to this job opening. Here they have mentioned email ID as usha@agents.in. Okay. So you need to send your resume ID to this. And next is she has mentioned immediate joining. You should be ready to join immediately. I'm telling you. Okay. Immediate joiners are preferred. Location is Hyderabad. Remember. Here in LinkedIn, there is one more person called Zumde Akshay Kumar. He is a person who is mainly hiring for the position of freshers. Okay, he is hiring for the fresher candidates. The company name is Advent Global. Okay, Advent Global, and he is hiring for the candidates who are AWS trained freshers. And the location is Anantapura, AP. Remember this. Mode of work is work from office from day one. From day one, you are going to work on the office. Remember. Next, he has mentioned the mode of technologies and tools what they are expecting from you. Okay. AWS engineer should have strong understanding of the following tools and technologies. You should be very good at core AWS services like Cloud Formation, System Manager, CloudWatch, Trusted Advisor, Billing and Cost Management. And next in the category networking and security sections, you should be good at creating VPCs, okay, Transist Gateway, Route 53, WAS, Firewall Manager. And next he has mentioned databases, RDS, Aurora, DynamoDB, Neptune, as well as Redshift. And moreover, the storage he has mentioned is S3, EBS, EFF, EFS, and Amazon Glacier. Okay, so he has mentioned some of the very important tools and technologies that were completely for the AWS guys. If you're a DevOps guys, so I'm telling you, if you're very good at AWS, generally apply. Otherwise, they haven't asked for DevOps or Linux candidates, so please don't apply. If you're very good at apply AWS cloud, then apply. How you need to apply is just send your resume to Kiran at unimedla@adventglobal.com. This is their email ID. Send your CV to that email ID. Okay. Now the same person he is hiring for one more position in the down. You can see here has mentioned one more position is apps associate is hiring for below roles, and he is mainly from the apps company guys. His company is mainly hiring for the position of cloud AWS DevOps engineer. Look at this, cloud AWS DevOps engineer. He has mentioned the experience is 3 to 8 years of experience. The location is Gurgaon. Okay, if you are a person having experience in AWS cloud domains like one year of experience, 2 years, don't apply. If you are from 3 to 8 years of experience, may 4, 5, 6 year depends. Okay, so you can easily apply your resume to this akshay.zumde@appassociates.com. So this is his email ID. So please send your resume to him. Otherwise, you can directly connect to his LinkedIn profile. As you can see here, just go ahead and message him for the referral. So this was the fourth job opportunity. Now let's get to the fifth one. The fifth one is from there is one HR called Amisha Mehta. She is HR. Okay, she is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and the location is Mohali. Working days is 5 days, Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be week off for you. Okay, and she has mentioned interested candidates can share Amisha at Mehta DZ Mantra, and this is mainly for the fresher guys. I'm telling you, this position is mainly for the fresher. Okay, remember this point. She hasn't mentioned, but this is mainly for the fresher. The company name is Dymont Labs here. Okay, and everything just you need to send your resume to this. Okay, so this was the fifth job opening. Now one more important thing is, see, if you're a first time viewer to my channel, please hit the subscribe button guys. I'm telling you, your encouragement is much more needed for me, and so that I can bring daily content for you guys. Okay, so if you want all the job opening links which I'm going to show you now, you can just send your invitation to this Vishwa Instagram, Vishwa Karkale. Okay, and while sending the invitation, you can directly message me. That is also option is there. So please send the invitation and message me also. I'm going to send you all the links completely free. How you need to message is I'm going to show you also. If you are just looking for AWS and cloud, you can mention like this. Or if you're looking for AWS DevOps job openings, just message like this. Okay, I'm going to send you all the messages links completely free without taking single money. Look at this. I was sent to this links to him, right? I will be sending all the links to him. So now let's come to the sixth job opening. The sixth one is from the company called Digital Flake. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for various positions, but they are also hiring for the position called DevOps engineer. Here they are mainly hiring for the person who is having at least 1 year of experience. It may be in the AWS, Azure, GCP, or you may be having completed your internship in the 10 months, 6 months, the experience also apply, not a problem. Okay, if they are hiring for 1 year of candidates, means they will be hiring for 10 months, 6 months of experience candidate also. Please apply. Hands-on experience in CI tools, Jenkins, TeamCity, and knowledge of Docker. You should be having a hands-on knowledge on the Jenkins or in the TeamCity. It's your choice, any one of this. And you should be having very good knowledge in the Docker. Strong knowledge of configuration management tools like Ansible, Puppet, Chef. You should be very good at least one of these tools. It may be Ansible, Puppet, or Chef. It's your choice. Share your resume at hrdigitalflake.com. They have clearly mentioned their email ID. So send your resume to this. Let's get to the seventh one. The seventh now mail hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Okay, as you can see, the role, the job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and this is moreover a full-time opportunity. So this is the startup company, guys. I'm telling you, they are mainly hiring for the person who is having at least 3+ years of experience as a DevOps engineer. You must be having at least 3 years. Okay, hands-on experience on cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. It's your choice. You should be having hands-on experience on AWS, Google, or Azure. Basic knowledge of Python, Django, and SQL. You should be having knowledge on any of this programming language. It's maybe the Python, or it may be the Django or SQL. Experience with tools like Ansible, Terraform, or Pulumi. You should be having hands-on experience on this Ansible, Terraform, and as well as Pulumi. Experience with systems like RabbitMQ, Kafka, Elasticsearch.com. Elasticsearch, etc. Okay. So you should be having experience on the RabbitMQ, Kafka as well as a Elasticsearch. Ability to create infra services for both cloud as well as a on-premises deployment. See, this is very important. You should able to create infrastructure services for the on cloud as well as a for the cloud as well as a on-premises deployment. Strong fundamentals in Linux networking troubleshooting. You should be very good at Linux networking and you should be very good at troubleshooting. Experience with Docker containers and orchestration tools like Kubernetes. We should be having very hands-on experience on the Docker as well as the Kubernetes. Knowledge of Prometheus monitoring tool would be added advantage. You should be knowing the monitoring tool is Prometheus. Okay. So these are the skills which they have mentioned is. So if you want to apply, just click on this apply now section. Okay. The link is going to open and apply to this HR. Now let's get to the seventh John. The seventh one is from the company called, here the company name is osfin.ai. This is a startup company, guys. I'm telling you, this is a startup company. They are mainly hiring for various positions. And here they have mentioned for the senior DevOps engineer positions. Look at this. And this is moreover, the headquarters is located at Bengaluru location. And moreover, this is a full-time job opportunity. Here they have mentioned the roles, responsibility, everything they have mentioned, what you're going to do. And I'm going to directly explain what about the skills they are expecting from you. Okay. So here they are mainly given the, you should be having very good hands-on experience in the DevOps practices like infrastructure coding, CI/CD developer pipeline, automated integrating and deployed services. Okay. And you should be knowing working knowledge on various tools, open source technologies, cloud services such as JUnit, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Jira, Git, Maven, AWS. These are common. So you should be having very hands-on experience on this. This is mainly for the experienced candidate, guys. I'm telling you, okay. You are having 3+ years of experience, like 4, 5, 6. You can apply. Configuration management databases such as MySQL, Mongo, okay. And understanding of perimeter protection tools like AWS native components tools, needs web applications and network firewalls. You should be having very good hands-on experience on the web applications, networks, as well as AWS native components. Extensive experience working with different DevOps and engineering teams to enable cybersecurity features and patch vulnerabilities. So you should also be having hands-on experience on the different types of DevOps tools and technologies, as well as cybersecurity features. Also, you should be ready to enable them. Experience creating a meaningful alerts to detect security incidents, okay, and a deep understanding of application security architecture and life cycle. You should be ready. You should be having very vast experience on creating the application security and architecture of the applications and life cycles. Knowledge of AWS ASP standard is required. Excellent communications, collaboration, troubleshooting skill is required. So this was mainly for the experienced candidates, 3+ years of candidates. So just go to this apply section. Okay, hit this apply button and apply to this job opening. Now the last comes is here. Startup company, as I previously told you, they are also hiring for the position of principal DevOps engineer, and the location is Bengaluru. Here in the down, they have mentioned the roles, responsibilities, what you're going to do, and here they have mentioned the skills. Let's read this. 5+ years of total experiences, DevOps or SRE engineers. You should be having a experience on the DevOps as well as the SRE engineers. It's your choice. It may be any of the post. It may be the DevOps or it may be the SRE engineer. Hands-on experience on cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, etc. You should be having very good hands-on experience on any one of this cloud. Basic knowledge of Python, Django, SQL. Okay. Next is experience with tools like Ansible, Terraform, Pulumi. You may be knowing, you must be knowing hands-on experience on tools like Ansible, Terraform, or Pulumi. And they also mentioned the systems like RabbitMQ, Kafka, Elasticsearch. Okay. And you should be able to create the infrastructure for both for the cloud as well as the on-premises deployment. Next, they have mentioned is strong fundamentals of Linux, and you should be very good at networking, and you should know how to troubleshoot the errors. Experience with Docker containers and orchestration tools like Kubernetes. You should be having the very good hands-on experience on the cloud containers like Docker as well as a Kubernetes. Knowledge of Prometheus monitoring would be added advantage. You should be knowing the monitoring tool is Prometheus, and you should know how to monitor in the Prometheus. Okay. So these are the job openings. How you need to apply for this job position is just click at this apply now section. Okay. You are looking at the right section. Please click on this and you are going to apply for this job opening. So these were the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. If you're looking for any other job openings in the coming days, please mention me the coming days. I will be comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.